Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find system specs on Windows 10, so you can quickly check all the important details about your computer. Step 1. Click the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. This opens the main menu, giving you access to all your Windows settings and system options. Step 2. Click on Settings to open the Windows Settings menu. Settings is where you can control everything from system information to personalization, making it easy to find your processor details. Step 3. Click on About at the bottom of the Settings menu. About shows the key information about your device, including system specifications and Windows version. Step 4. Look for device specifications and find your processor listed there. This will show you the exact model and generation of your CPU, which is important for knowing your computer's performance capabilities. Alternatively, Step 1. Type system information in the Windows search bar. This allows you to access a more detailed view of your system hardware and software. Step 2. Click on the System Information app from the search results. The app opens a window with comprehensive details about your computer. Step 3. Click on System Summary on the left-hand side. System Summary gives an overview of all the main hardware components on your PC. Step 4. Look for Processor on the right side. Here you can see detailed information about your CPU, including its speed, cores, and manufacturer, which is useful for troubleshooting or upgrading purposes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.